The burnout was catching up to me, and I definitely needed a getaway. And then I found out about Zen Forest, which seemed like a perfect place. So we packed our bags and decided to stay the night. As far as we could see, we were surrounded by beautiful nature and the mountains. This place is exactly what I needed. So here's my experience spending a night at this beautiful place. We have arrived at the Zen Forest. Getting here on my motorbike, kind of challenging because this is definitely not meant for off-roading, but I owned it. Honestly, I was expecting a lot of people, but when I came here, I was really shocked to see that we are all alone here and there's absolutely nobody. This is the only tent, which is our tent, which by the way, looks amazing. They've really taken their time to decorate this. Everything looks beautiful. They have chairs and it's absolutely a perfect place to chill. This place is called Zen Forest. It's definitely living up to its name because it's really peaceful here. All right, let's go take a look inside our tent. You have a mattress and pillows, which I think is a luxury because so far when I've been out camping, the next morning I woke up with a sore back because I've been sleeping on the ground, and I think this is absolutely amazing. Gotta close this up before the mosquitoes get inside. I just want to thank Zen Forest for absolutely hooking us up with this beautiful campsite. This is the best viewpoint for the campsite, which is the Camp Zone E, and it overlooks this beautiful horizon and the sunrise is right from here. The summit is right here. In the morning we're gonna wake up and catch the sunrise. I was getting that burnout and this place is gonna help me reset, and it's absolutely peaceful out here. Instead of water and food, my bag is full of gear like always. And that's why you have a girlfriend. She helps you carry your food and water and all the essentials while you have your camera gear. What do you have to say about that? So obviously I brought my drone. We're gonna take really beautiful shots here. So because tomorrow is Monday, everybody have already left. So we came on Sunday and we're gonna check out on Monday. So just a bunch of different camps on that side. Other than that, this place is absolutely clean. So this is not just a camping ground. It has a lot of different activities like water rafting, ATV. They have a waterfall which we're going right now to check it out. This place honestly has so many things to do. So if you come here, you're not gonna run out of things to do. And it's just all in one package. It's just perfect for your family or just a getaway. That is the shot right there. Attracting all the butterflies right here. I see dark clouds coming in. It's gonna be interesting. It just keeps raining on and off, and right now is a heavy rain, which is kind of nice. Not gonna lie, rain gives a different feeling and it's really moody, and we're surrounded by clouds and haze, and it's just really beautiful. We brought meat sandwiches. They look really juicy and we are starving, so it's time to eat. Alright, it's about 9 p.m. right now and I was hoping I could see the stars, but it's still a bit cloudy. We are surrounded by nature and darkness and our tent is lit up. It feels amazing. Just try to take some slow shutter photos and they turn out quite okay. I'm gonna try to get some sleep now and hopefully wake up tomorrow morning. Good morning. I can already see a layer of cloud below me. Slept really good. I've never slept so good while camping. It is really comfortable. Somebody came and dropped us nasi lemak in the morning, which is really good. And I have my Americano since from yesterday. So I think it's gonna be a good breakfast. I wanna surf the clouds with my drone. So I'm gonna go send it. It looks really beautiful. There's a blanket of clouds. It's been absolutely amazing staying here. It's really peaceful. If you guys want to check this place out, links down below in the description. The best part about this place is you can drive your vehicle all the way up next to your campsite and the pets are allowed. So it's super amazing. Thank you guys for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one.